Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So let's see what we will be expecting this week on our GBP JPY. So take a look at it right here. First thing first, before you take your trade, you would want to know the trend of that your trade, right? And we can clearly see that GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. So we are very much in an uptrend move right here, right on our GBP JPY. We are in an uptrend move. So this is it here. We all know that market tends to give us three movements. It's either market is trending to the upside, or market is trending downside, or market is literally ranging. So this is clearly an uptrend move. Now take a look at this movement, how it gave us. We had this impulsive move, which you can see as your eye. Then we had this pullback phase. Then here comes the impulsive move, and the pullback phase was here. This is also our another impulsive move here, and this is our pullback phase. This is also another impulsive move. You can see that the impulsive moves are very massive. They massively take out this previous high here. This is another impulsive move that massively took out this previous high here. This is another impulsive move that massively took out this previous high here, right here. So we've just gotten this pullback phase right here. Now we will be expecting another impulsive move that will massively take out this high. So that is to tell you that there is more bullish move to come on GBPJPY. So basically, with this movement right here, we should be expecting nothing less than 1,000. Let's say about 1,000. We should be expecting between 700 to 1,000 pip, right? So if you are a swing trader, this is the best time for you to hop in on the buy. If you are a position trader, this is also the best time for you to hop in on the buy because we will be anticipating for more than 700 pips bullish move, but probably more than 1,000 bullish movement, right? Bullish a pip, right, on our GBP So that is to tell you that there is more movement to the upside on our GBP So there is more movement. So you should be anticipating for more movement upward. Now let's go down to the daily time frame right here. So this is it here. This is our daily time frame. You can clearly see a series of higher high and an higher low. This is a multiple series of higher high and an higher low. So this is the high. Here is the higher low. This is also the higher high. And here is the higher low. Here is also the higher high. And here comes the higher low. This here is the higher high, and here comes the higher low right here. So now that we've gotten this higher low, we should be expecting market to push up to form a new higher high. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting next on our GBP JPY. So now, first, if you take a look at this movement here, this is a support level, a major rejection zone. So market rejected from here, market rejected from here. So it is I'm not surprised that when markets came in, market gave us this rejection here. So we will continue that movement till it is able to form a new higher high. So guys, this week we will be going bullish on GBP JPY. Now on our forward time frame, so let's see a pullback here, which is currently forming, right? Once the pullback forms, plays out finish, another bullish move that should eventually take out this high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP JPY for the week, you should be going bullish. If there are any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, like and share.